Imagine this. You're scrolling through your day, feeling the weight of deadlines, worries, and that endless mental chatter. But what if I told you that the simple act of calming your mind could literally turn back the clock on your body? Not through some magic pill or expensive cream, but by harnessing the power within you, the same power that quantum physics hints at, where your thoughts shape your reality. Today, we're diving deep into why calm minds age slower, blending cutting-edge science with timeless spiritual wisdom to show you how to unlock this potential. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll have tools to start shifting your own timeline toward vitality and peace. Let's start with the science, because understanding the why fuels the how. Our bodies are like intricate machines, but stress is the rust that wears them down faster. When you're stressed, whether from a tough job, relationship drama, or just the chaos of modern life, your body releases cortisol, the infamous stress hormone. Cortisol is great in short bursts. It helps you dodge danger or power through a crisis, but when it lingers, it becomes a silent saboteur. Studies from places like Stanford Medicine and UCLA show that chronic high cortisol levels shrink key brain areas like the hippocampus, which handles memory and learning. It also ramps up inflammation throughout your body, accelerating wear and tear on your cells. Think of it as your internal engine running hot all the time. Eventually, parts start breaking down. But here's where it gets fascinating. Calm minds produce less cortisol. When you cultivate peace through practices like meditation or mindfulness, your body shifts into a restorative mode. Research from the National Institutes of Health reveals that even a single session of mindfulness can down-regulate genes linked to inflammation, one of the biggest drivers of aging. Inflammation isn't just about swollen joints. It's a fire that damages DNA, weakens immunity, and speeds up conditions like heart disease and cognitive decline. By calming your mind, you're essentially putting out that fire, allowing your body to repair and regenerate instead of just surviving. Now, let's zoom in on telomeres. These are like protective caps on the ends of your chromosomes, similar to the plastic tips on shoelaces that keep them from fraying. Every time your cells divide, telomeres shorten a bit, and when they're too short, cells can't divide anymore, leading to aging and disease. Groundbreaking work from researchers like Elizabeth Blackburn, a Nobel Prize winner, shows that stress hammers telomeres. In one study of stressed mothers, those with the highest anxiety had telomeres equivalent to someone a decade older. But flip the script. People who practice meditation, especially mindfulness-based stress reduction (MBSR), actually lengthen their telomeres. A Harvard study found that long-term meditators had more telomeres, the enzyme that repairs telomeres, keeping cells youthful longer. It's like giving your DNA a shield against time. And it's not just about physical cells. Your brain benefits too. As we age, gray matter in the brain naturally thins, leading to slower thinking and memory slips. But calm minds fight back. UCLA research demonstrates that meditation slows this decline, preserving brain volume in areas tied to attention and emotional regulation. Imagine your brain as a garden. Stress is the weed killer, but calm is the fertilizer, helping it bloom, even in later years. But wait, how does this tie into the quantum world and spiritual growth? This channel is all about quantum manifestation and conscious living, right? Well, quantum physics tells us that reality isn't fixed. It's a field of possibilities influenced by observation and intention. Your thoughts are energy waves rippling through this field. When your mind is chaotic, filled with fear or negativity, you're manifesting more of that, more stress, more aging. But a calm mind aligns you with higher frequencies, where abundance, health, and youthfulness flow naturally. Think about it spiritually. In many ancient traditions, from Buddhism to indigenous wisdom, calm is the gateway to your higher self. When you're frantic, you're disconnected from source energy, the infinite well of creation. But in stillness, you tap into that. It's like tuning a radio to a clear station instead of static. Your calm mind becomes a magnet for positive outcomes, including slower aging, kindness, and compassion, which thrive in calm states, even boost oxytocin, the love hormone, which reduces inflammation and protects telomeres. As shown in studies from David Hamilton's work on kindness meditation, pessimism and cynicism, they're telomere shorteners. Research from TED Ideas and Psychology Today highlights how negative thought patterns, like rumination, replaying worries over and over, keep stress hormones elevated long after the event. It's like leaving a stressor on repeat. Cynical hostility, where you distrust everyone, correlates with shorter telomeres and faster aging. But optimism and a challenge mindset, they lower cortisol and enhance resilience. Stoic philosophers like Seneca knew this intuitively. A calm mind stretches time, making life feel longer and more vibrant. So how do we cultivate this calm? Let's get practical, because knowledge without action is just noise. First, start with breathwork hits your quantum anchor. In quantum terms, breath regulates your energy field. Try the 4-7-8 technique. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 7, exhale for 8. This activates the vagus nerve, which calms your nervous system and reduces inflammation. Do it daily, and you'll notice your mind quieting, your body relaxing. Next, mindfulness, meditation. Sit for 10 minutes a day, observing your thoughts like clouds passing. Don't judge, just witness. This shifts you from threat mode to challenge mode, as per mindfulness studies. It's spiritual growth in action aligning with your higher self, unlocking inner power. Incorporate kindness practices. Loving kindness. Meditation, where you send well wishes to yourself and others, tones the vagus nerve and protects against aging, per Harvard research. It's manifestation too. By focusing on love, you attract more of it. Creating a reality of peace and vitality. Daily gratitude journaling rewires your brain for positivity. Write 3 things you're thankful for. It reduces pessimism and lengthens telomeres indirectly by lowering stress. Movement matters, but calmly. Yoga or Tai Chi combines physical activity with mindfulness, reducing cortisol while building strength. It's conscious living embodied. Diet plays a role. Anti-inflammatory foods like berries, nuts, and greens to support your calm minds. Work. But remember, it's the mindset that amplifies everything. Let's paint a picture. Meet Sarah, a 55-year-old executive buried in stress. Wrinkles deepening, energy fading. She felt old beyond her years. Then she discovered calm practices. Starting with breathwork, then meditation, she shifted her timeline. Within months, her skin glowed, memory sharpened, and she manifested a dream job with balance. Science backs this. Her telomeres likely stabilized, inflammation dropped. Or consider John, pessimistic after a divorce. Cynicism aged him fast, high blood pressure, foggy mind. Through kindness meditation, he softened, telomeres protected, vitality returned. These aren't anomalies. They're quantum shifts. Your calm mind collapses possibilities into youthfulness. But calm isn't absence of challenges. It's mastery over them. In quantum manifestation, challenges are opportunities to align deeper. When stress hits, pause, breathe, reframe. This is teaching me strength. As you practice, notice subtle changes: deeper sleep, clearer skin, sharper focus. That's your body aging slower. Spiritually.com connects you to universal consciousness. In that space, time bends. You live fully, not rushed. To deepen, visualize your ideal self, vibrant, ageless. Feel it now. That's manifestation. Community helps your experiences build collective God calm. Remember, aging is inevitable, but how you age is choice. Choose calm, choose slower aging. We've covered science, spirit, tools. Now, implement. Start small. One breath, one meditation. If this resonated, hit like. It tells the algorithm to spread this wisdom. Subscribe for more on quantum manifestation, spiritual growth videos crafted with love to align you with your higher self. Comment below. What's one calm practice you'll try? Let's build a community of timeless souls. Thank you for joining.